Today in this video I am going to share how to do golden facial at home. Golden facial makes your skin look fresh, improve elasticity, treats inflammatory disorders. Step 1. Cleanser.
Storybox Audio.
Dip a cotton pad in cold milk and rub it all over the face for 10 minutes. After cleansing, wash your face with water. Milk contains lactic acid which cleanses the skin, remove acne and nourishes face. Raw milk is one of the natural cleansers for dry skin. Cleansing remove dead skin cells, oil, dirt and other pollutants on surface of skin. Face cleansing is important to have a bright glowing skin. Step 2. Scrub. Sugar.
Storybox Audio.
Honey. Mix 2 tablespoons of sugar with 1 tablespoon of honey. Scrub it all over the face. Clean your face with cotton pad. Step 3. Steam. Hot water. Aloe vera gel. In a bowl, take 250 milliliters of hot water with 5 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Steam face for 30 minutes. After taking steam, don't clean your face, gently massage your face with fingers. Steaming opens your pores and helps loosen dirt particles, softens blackheads, promotes circulation. Step 4. Pack. Ingredients needed. Turmeric, honey, curd.
Storybox Audio.
Mix half teaspoon of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of honey with 1 tablespoon of curd. Mix well. Apply all over the face. Leave it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, wash your face with water. Curd is the best anti-aging ingredient. Prevents wrinkles, tighten pores. Turmeric reduces active acne and removes pimple marks. Honey has its antibacterial properties, reduce wrinkles and fine lines.